Good morning, children. Welcome back again. Today, we continue with the same lesson, food safety. And today, we are going to study uh, the factors responsible for the food spoilage. We have already studied the factor responsible for food spoilage, quantitative wastage of food, qualitative wastage of food, and now we will see food storage and preservation. Now, what do you understand by food storage? Now, as you know, that food storage means something has to be stored. Now, previously, this thing period, I have explained you that the food we store is for the one whole year. Now, there are different and various methods of storage of food, and for this, why do we need to store the food? Because to prevent the growth of microorganism in the food, and if we prevent the microorganism, so there we can save the food from spoilage. Now we have got various methods for the food protection and food preservation. Now, food protection. Food protection, what do you mean? How to prevent it from spoilage? Prevention of food and spoilage by microbial growth of infestation by pest is called food protection. Now, here you see in when you put grains, rice or wheat, so you will find sometimes there are small insects in there, and then your parents say we are fed up, we have put so much medicine. So why? Because we have to prevent this food from spoilage, because they eat and they will decay it. Second is food preservation. Now you know your mother may be making pickles and jams and other various things, and to prevent it from other microorganism to which will spoil it, we put some uh, preservatives in it, so that the pickles and the jams do not get spoiled for a long time, and that helps in preservation. Third is freezing. Now, freezing, biologically and chemical reaction. Now, why do we freeze? Sometimes you will see there are things like which cannot be kept in the open place. Sometimes we put pulses, we freeze them. Sometimes we put some masalas or other things that does not get spoiled, and that helps, because if it comes in contact with other microorganism, it will get spoiled. There will be foul smell in it. So that is why we put it in a container and then we store it in the freezing. Now, smoking. Food is preserved with the help of smoke. Aluminum phosphate is used in this method. Now, what is smoke? Like, what they do is, there is a chemical which is mixed and then it is poured in the grain or the pulses that preserves our grain from, or our things from, decaying. I think you might have understood different methods of food storage and preservation. Before that, as you all know that we are studying about food safety. So some of the beautiful question I have put in that you need to increase your general knowledge, and please try to find out. Please read your lesson and you will find the answer. When is the World Food Day observed? The World Food Day is observed on 16th October. What is the full form of FSSAI? The full form of SSAI is Food Safety and Standardization Authority of India. So you need to learn it, keep remember this, and write it in your notebook. because after few weeks you will be having an online test.